Today you're going to learn how to make a cocoon dress with a twist.
As you can see with this fabric, the one side is naturally frayed and that side we are just going to leave as is. The other side we are going to sew. I'm not going to overlock this fabric, we're just going to do a straight stitch. So you're going to just fold the fabric once and then you're going to fold it again. We're now going to just put these two sides of the fabric together. I have already folded it in half. We're going to measure 8 inches and 21 centimeters. You can make this opening a little bit bigger or smaller if you wish to. It's entirely up to you, whatever you want to do, and you are just going to pin it.
Once you have finished making the design, you can then dress it up with a brooch. You can add tassels, you can add beads, a bit of bling, whatever you choose. And you can either make it for day wear or evening wear. There are some examples that I'm going to show you in this tutorial, but remember, you're making this creation and you can do whatever you wish.
When sewing, this is the overlocking stitch. So with this fabric, I've already sewed all 3 sides. And the reason for this is because this type of fabric frays on the side. There's no harm in just folding it over like that and doing a straight stitch. Once you've finished overlocking all 4 sides of the fabric, you're then just going to fold it once and fold it again. And this just neatens the edges.
When sewing this outfit, you're not going to need to use a sewing machine if you don't have one. You can go to my tutorial on how to make a pom-pom skirt, and there you will see that I've used the tacking stitch and I've shown you can use safety pins. And today you're going to learn how to do fabric glue. Chinsha, you come to say hello. Say hello to everybody. This design that you're making today can either be worn as a cape, a shawl, or a dress. With this design, you're going to create and make it your own. twist is there is a challenge. You are going to create your own design, you're going to take a photograph, and you're going to upload it for all of us to see how beautiful you look and what an amazing design you've created. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed that, to click the like button. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Drop me a note below and I shall get back to you. And if you want to see more about being creative, then click that subscribe button. We're going to have a lot of fun on this channel.